Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. A company called Sofirn have sent me a brilliant little product to review, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to get it out of the box, have a look what's in the box and all the accessories that come with it, and I'm going to give it a bit of a road test. I've got my notepad here so I can write down some thoughts as I play with this little product. Now, I've already looked at the website and I know what this is for, what it is and what it can be used for and all the different applications. So we'll run through that as we're having a look at it. But for now, let's get the camera in close and get this box open and see what's inside. And of course, if you like what I'm about to show you in this video, as always, I will be dropping a link in the description box below, just in case you decide you want to go ahead and buy one. And when you click through to my link, you will notice that there are different colours available and additional discounts if you buy more than one of these torches at the same time. So now let's get inside the box and see what we've got. Okay, this is quite nice packaging. In actual fact, this is not the first product that Sofirn have sent me. Recently they sent me two full torches, high-powered torches, and they were very good quality and very good value. And in fact, I gave one to my mum, who keeps it by her bedside cabinet all the time and she uses it. It's a brilliant little thing. And I'm hoping that these little torches, which you wear on your wrist as you were about to see, are of equal quality. I have no doubt that they will be. Right, let's have a look. Now look at that. Isn't that a tiny, dinky little thing? That is the torch. Let's put that next to my thumbnail. I wonder if it's got any charge on it. Yes, it does. Can you see? It's already got charge on it. We'll come back to how it works in a moment, but that's a little torch. But it isn't that, just that. It doesn't just stop there, because underneath this box are some additional accessories. There are some instructions, and we have a wristband. This is a little torch that you can wear on your wrist, as you will see in a moment when I demonstrate it fully. There's a charging cable, and look at that. That is obviously so that you can attach it to your keyring, and I would imagine, as we will see, that will thread through that hole there, back on itself, and you can take that with you on your car keys or your house keys wherever you go. But look at this. A chain if you want to wear it around your neck, and also look at this now, a magnetic clip. Look at that. Now that opens so that you can attach it on here around your wrist, and you can use it to light up whatever you are working on at any particular moment in time. As you can see there, it doesn't always flash, but I've not worked out how it works just yet. We'll come back to that. You wouldn't want it flashing all the time, but look at that. And you can take that off and you can rotate it in any different direction. So there we go. Now, I have noticed also that not only is that a clip which you can use to attach to this wrist strap, but also you can feed that wrist strap through a little slit here at the back. So that would be a much more secure way of wearing it. And we'll come back to that in a moment when I demonstrate it fully. So that is everything that was inside that little box. And look at this. Welcome to the Sofirn family written on the inside of the box. That's a nice little touch, isn't it? Right, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get the little device charged up properly, and whilst it's charging, I shall read the instructions that we know how to stop it flashing, and then I'll come back to you with my initial findings. I've read the instructions and I've charged it up and I've had a really good play with it, and you can see there it's a very bright little torch, but you can actually scroll through several different brightness levels from moonlight all the way up to very bright. Whichever one you stop on is the one it will come back on when you switch it on again. So there's the little torch. I've threaded the wristband through the holder and that now will sit on there quite nicely, and I can use that to light all my surroundings. Now this is magnetic, which is why it just sits on there and stays in place, but if you can imagine the applications of that, this is a metal biscuit tin. You could attach that to your car boot, looking inside your car boot, or even underneath the bonnet or underneath the car. You could attach it to a fridge. Wonderful. And if I hold that down, you can see it's going from bright to dim. So as I've already said, you could use that in bed at night reading a book if you didn't want to disturb your partner. You can use it as a necklace and it will light the surroundings. I've also attached the lanyard, which was really just to demonstrate that you could attach that to your car keys. So I think that is a really versatile, brilliant little torch. You could use it walking the dog, and in actual fact, one thing that occurred to me is, if you wanted to, you could clip that to your dog's collar. Not only would it light where the dog is walking, but it would mean that you could see the dog in the dark too. So there we go, the Sofirn SE1 it's called, and I will put the link to that in the description box below this video. It feels nice, it feels chunky, it looks stylish, and I'm very pleased with it. I hope you can have a look at the link, and I hope you can find your way to buying one of these, because Sofirn had supported me, so it's always nice if we can support people who support us. So there we go. Wonderful. The Sofirn torch, which you can wear on your wrist, around your neck, on your car keys, but you can attach it to anything metallic because it's magnetic. I recommend it.